Hi, my name is Tiffy, and this is Jimmy, and we're going to cut some vegetables. So let's get started. This is corn. My mom likes corn. It's her favorite.
And my mom likes corn. This. And so this
And she likes tomatoes. It's her favorite fruit. And she likes eggs. I like apples. It's my favorite. And I like mushroom. It's her favorite. And she likes some potatoes. And this is eggplant. It's her favorite. It's bell pepper. And this is a carrot. That's her favorite.
I don't know how to cook this.
Bell pepper. And this is This is bread. My mom always fetch me some bread. Peanut butter.
I just cut it like this. I cut it like this. I cut it like this.
Mom, would you cut this first?
Broken.
Yes.
I just use this like this.
What is that?
Bread. This is cabbage. It's her favorite.
This bread is so good.
This is watermelon.
Give her half. Give her half. Cut it in half and give her half.
I want to cut it. I want to cut it. Oh.
Turn loose.
Well, put them together.
It's watermelon. I love watermelon. If you like my channel, please subscribe if you like my channel. Bye.